So in this video I'm going to share with you how to make these delicious mountain balls, these energy balls, so stay tuned. So welcome back everybody, and thanks for tuning in. Today I want to share with you how I make these affordable energy balls that are so good for all mountain sports: skiing, running, mountain biking, hiking. Now throughout the season, especially with all the uphill that I've been doing, a lot of people do ask me what do I eat en route. So this video is going to cover one of my top secrets. So let's get into it. So here we are. It has not stopped raining at the moment. A big storm's coming in and we're still in a French lockdown, so hence why my beanie's on. I've still got my lockdown hair, and come with me into the kitchen and we're going to make some easy energy balls. Soaked some dates overnight, 500 grams, okay, just to make them soft, and then I'll take the stones out. Now if the stones are already in, you can do this method, but if they are out already, it's a lot quicker to do. So if you can buy them without the stones, the dates, then it's great. My kitchen is very small, unfortunately it's a small apartment, and I don't have a food processor, so what I do is I have the dates there, and then I'll just get a manual masher and I'll literally mash the dates together until they're nice and soft. And then once everything's ready, I'll add, can you see, into the dates 400 grams of grounded peanuts. God, I can't talk today. Then I've got like 200 grams which of mixed nuts all grounded in, and I'll also add half a bowl. This actually works out, I've done it quite a few times over the years, as 400 grams of oats. Pour it all in. Then I get a tablespoon of cocoa powder, Super U at its finest. Put that in, maybe a little bit more there, and then I'll mix it all together. So I want to mix it all together so it's like a nice consistency. So then I get some cling film and I'll just literally will cut some squares, not too small, but I'll cut. So the next bit then will be to cover my chopping board with a bit of desiccated coconut. Come on, whoop, be proper there. Then I get a small little ball like this, roll it together, roll it in the desiccated coconut, then I will put it into, and then I'll put it on top there, and I'll just roll it up, and there you have one gorgeous ball full of energy to fuel your next adventure. So last step, I just pop them into a freezer bag, and then I pop them into the freezer. Before you know it, you've got a tasty mountain snack. Really healthy, really good, fuels you up for any mountain adventure. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, as it really helps the channel. And smash that subscribe button and join us for more tutorials and more adventures in the mountains. See you next Sunday. Now I need to get home before the storm. Okay, let's go. Let's go home. Woo! Storm time! Let's get home, Dookie! Let's get home!